What's up, you guys? It's your girl NiNi Court, and I'm back with another video. So today I am actually very happy, very excited about this look. I used to wear lipstick, back in like high school days, everything like that, but I just been a lip gloss girl for the past years, probably like 3 years. For like the past 3 years, I just been so obsessed with lip gloss, and every time I put a color on my lips, I just feel so like, ooh, like unless it's red or something. But today I actually tapped into one of my favorite things, one of my favorite colors in the world, which is purple. So I just thought, I was like, how would it be if I was to do like a purple makeup video? Like, how would that be? Like, I don't know. But I did it today, and how do you guys like it? This is the highlight. This is the colors. Yeah, so it's really cute if you want to go out with this look, like a date night, club night. Like, it don't even matter what you're trying to do with this look. It's really cute and it's really quick and easy, and I show you in this video exactly how I did it. And yeah, let's get into the video. Hey you guys, so I did start off with a fresh face for this makeup look. I already did my eyebrows just to kill time, and I'm going to be matching the purple with the purple eyelids. It's going to be real cute, real fun, and you're going to see me look over to the right a lot because I have my mirror on the side. So in this video, I'm actually going to be using both Take Me Back to Brazil and the Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics. All of the items that I use in this video, as always, I'm going to put in the description bar so I don't just keep on talking too much. But yeah, I'm going to just let you know exactly, what colors I use and everything like that. Also, for this video, because it was specifically for one color, which is purple, I just try to basically like find anything purple that I had like in my makeup stash. So yeah. And right now, I'm actually just going to put concealer on my eyelids. And I'm going to blend that out just so the pigment can show up really nice and clear on my eyelids. Alright, so with any brush that you have, we're just going to blend out that concealer really well. It's going to be the foundation to our whole entire eye look, so blending is key. So we're going to do that on both of our eyes. So now that we have that blended, I'm actually going to go into my Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to go in with that orangey color, and I'm just going to use that as a transition color in order to transition into my purple-ish look. Going in with my Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics palette, I'm actually going to go with that purple, like that darkish purple color, and I'm just going to put that on the outside along where my transition color was. I'm going to place it like almost directly on top of that. And yeah, I'm just over here rocking to this beat. But yeah. Going in with the same concealer that we use for the base of the makeup look, we're actually going to go put it in our eyelids over that purple look we just did, and it's going to kind of be like a cut crease almost. Yeah, we're just going to do that. Please do not mind these ugly ass faces that I'm making. It just comes with the whole makeup thing. All of my girls know, we know that like it just be looking like dusty and everything, but the outcome is beautiful. So that's what matters. So because I use the applicator from the actual concealer container, I'm actually going to go in with my brush and just blend it out a little bit. I'm going to make it a little wider than what I put on my eyelids. Just make it a little wider. My eyelids are pretty small, so I'm just using like the whole top of my eyelid and not touching the purple that's not on my eyelid, if that makes any sense. With the Zodiac palette, I'm going to take the pink from there and just use it right where I just put the concealer on my eyelids just to brighten it up a little bit, give that splash of pink. With that same pink, we're just going to spread it out a little more, almost into a wing. We're going to actually make a wing, so it's going to be like an actual cut crease thing going on, and we're going to do that to both sides. Because this is a purple and not a pink look, we're going to actually go in with a deeper purple color just to bring in that purple back because it's looking really pastel-y on the lids. So we're just going to go in with that darker purple. We're going to start on the outside, make our way in, and just blend it out. Just blend, blend, blend. Don't touch the part where you just did that cut crease at. Just only do the rest of the eyelids almost where the transition color was placed. Eyeliner time. All right, so now we're just gonna do our winged eyeliner. I would suggest following along with the wing that you already made with the cut crease. Just follow along with that, and it'll help you just ensure that you have a nice poppin' wing. Right after the wing, we're gonna just go ahead and go in with our mascara just to prep our eyelashes for the false lashes that we will be using. Almost there, almost there. All right, we're 80% done with our eye makeup look. So now moving on to the rest of our face, we're just going to go in with our foundation and we're just going to blend that out. Clearly, I have fun when I'm doing my makeup because I'm always listening to music. But yeah, I'm just over here bumping to the music. Just, have fun, enjoy yourself while you're doing this. This is art, okay? This is art. Once you have your foundation all blended out, we're just going to go ahead and highlight our face. With the concealer, we're just going to put that all over our T-zones and we're just going to blend that out really well. I don't know if you have to do this, but I have to blend out my concealers with two concealers just to get that perfect tone for my skin tone. So whatever fits for you, just go ahead and do that. Whether you gotta mix it or just, have the single one, just go ahead and do that and put it on top of the concealer that you already have and then just blend that out. Yes, bitch. See, now we're already blended. We got that blended out. So now we're just gonna go ahead and go in with, I'm just thinking, I'm like, what am I about to do? We're actually gonna go in with the eyeliner now. We're just gonna put that all over our waterline. So directly under our eyelashes, right under where you just put the eyeliner, just go ahead and get a really small, thin brush, and we're gonna use the purple that we just used, and we're gonna put that under our eyelids, and that's just gonna give the makeup look that pow that it needs, that kick, and it's just gonna look really good, and it ties really well together. On to one of the last steps for this makeup tutorial. We're just going to put a nice little peach pinkish color that we have, and we're going to put that in the inner corner of our eyes. Make sure you blend that well. With your favorite mascara, we're just going to apply that on our lower lash line. Now that we used all that time to make ourselves beautiful, we want the look to last, right? So now we're just going to go ahead with the setting spray to keep that on all night. Highlight time. So, one of the most beneficial tips that I ever learned about makeup was doing the setting spray first and then you put the highlight because it appears so much brighter, so much more pow in your face. So, because we're extra and because we're fabulous, we're going to do just that. Just go ahead and put it on your nose, put it all on your cheeks, and shine, baby. Final step, we're just going to do our lips. So just go ahead and outline your lips with your lip liner and apply whatever lip gloss or lipstick you want to use. In the clip, I did end up using this lip gloss, but I changed it to a lipstick. So either or is fine. Looking back at this video, I didn't realize how fire this lip gloss was, so I didn't keep it on. But you can just see how both ways is fine. But yeah, girl, go ahead and slay, do your hair after this, and just boom. If you do create this look, go ahead and send it to my DM on Instagram so I can repost it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.